Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff from all around the world, right here in Melbourne.
That's it.
What do we got here, Rubes?
I brought a single box because we've actually got a few of them, but
Single boxes.
Oh no, here we go. But I figured one would just do as a nice little highlight of what we've got in, because we've seen these before. People kind of know what they are, but it's still cool to see them through and to get.
I know what they are.
Oh well, you're about to find out. But
I know what they are.
The colour of that monster box. With a new coloured stripe on there, or onto the blue.
Oh, very swish.
Yes.
These are cool. These are 2023s.
They are. So it's not the first time we've had this coin, but it's the first time we've had this year. So
a perennial favourite.
that's it. So the 2023 silver 1 ounce Krugerrand from South Africa. With the impenetrable box. No, we're in.
That's right.
Ooh, with the tubes of 25.
They are 25s.
They are 25s.
I wasn't game enough to call that one.
I'm calling it. With their tamper. Let's see if you can get in without a.
Nah,
Cut it. Nice. But yeah, tubes of 25. I'd say most popular is made in the gold, but then they've branched out into the silver, which has kind of been doing well for itself.
Silvers are great.
We've also covered a few of their security features as well. A couple of little micro texts and whatever on these ones.
So that is, I'll put it on my hand.
Yeah.
So that is the 23 Krugerrand with the Springbok on the front. And I'm assuming on the obverse
Is Paul Kruger.
will be Mr. Kruger. And there he is. So look, it's a good favourite. It's great to have them back in stock. It's great to have the 2023 in stock.
Yep.
So they're a little bit like the kangaroo. You don't get horrendous premiums for different years, but like I keep saying, people like me enjoy completing their sets.
Does it hurt if you don't? That's the question.
It does. It really does. I'm embarrassed to admit to it, but yes. We have them in stock. They will be online right now. We should be able to get them throughout the year, although I've said that before and embarrassed myself. But because they are an international flavour, the supply of them can get a little bit patchy at times. So if you need them like I do to sort your stack out, grab them now. If there's no hurry for you, the chances are you will be able to buy them later on in the year.
Alrighty, good stuff. We'll see what other of the staples are able to get through in the 2023 soon. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.